Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel, and today I'm going to show you some books that I got in the last month. They actually just arrived in this month, so it's a March book haul video, and I know everybody loves book haul because you get to see which are the books that I picked, and then you get to see what they are about so that you can make your decision about whether you want to buy it or not. And I also do follow-up videos for that, but that we'll talk about some other time. For that you have to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, and let's get started with the video. Book number 1 is The Four Patriots by Sumit Agarwal. I have already read this book and I'm gonna review it very soon. I'll link the review video down below in the description box, and it's an amazing book. It's about these 4 guys who are, going to change this country. This is a story of love, friendship, patriotism, and all those sort of things, and it's really, really good. I don't want to give a lot of things away, so yes. We'll talk about this later. Book number 2 that I have got is Jim Morgan and the Seven Sins by Bharat Madan. Now this is about a guy living in New York City who is told by God that you are about to die, and there are 7 sins that you committed in your last life, and you have 7 days to do something about them. And this is what the book is about. It's a mystery mythological novel, and that's what's written in the blurb. So I'm pretty sure I'm not giving anything away, and I'm currently reading this book. After this, all the books you're gonna see have been bought from my hard-earned money. And the first book from that pile is Anne of Green Gables by L.M. Montgomery. I haven't checked the pronunciation of the author, and I know a lot of people will leave hate comment for that. You're most welcome. This book is something which I picked because of Haley in Bookland's video. She's very much into children's classics, and I wanted to pick up classics this year, so that's why I picked up this book. I seriously have no idea what this book is about, but I've heard from her that this book is really good. So yes, I'm reading it. The next book that I've got is This Is Not Your Story by Savi Sharma. This is the second book by this Indian author who is currently very popular, but her first book was shitty. This is the second book which I bought because we chose it for the first book for a book club, and yes, I'm currently reading it. The second last book that I have is by Ashwin Sanghi, which is 13 Steps to Bloody Good Wealth. Now this author wrote 13 Steps to Bloody Good Luck, which was an amazing book. This is a thicker book than that, and I am really excited to read this non-fiction book. And the last book in this book haul is The Whistler by John Grisham. Now John Grisham is a person who became a writer after being a lawyer. Now this book is also based around that. He writes amazing mystery novels, I guess. I have heard maybe it's mystery or thriller out of these two, but why I chose this book is not because of John Grisham, though I know he is really good. And I read one book by John Grisham, and I think when I was in 11th standard, and I didn't get a thing about it because of the language. I am very sure about that. So yes, that John Grisham book is from the pile which I don't even remember I have read. I just realized right now that I have read. It was about some footballer guy or something. To let me know if you have read that book so that I just remember the name, so that I can tell people that yeah, I have read it. But this one I'm very excited to read because currently I'm into Suits. Suits is like the best TV show. I love Jessica, I love Harvey. I kind of don't like Mike, but I like him as a character of the show, and I'm so much into. I so really want to read books which are about lawyers and all about cases and all that. So I'm like, yes, 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 I'm gonna read John Grisham now. That's why I picked it up. The thing about buying books is if you don't really buy the books which you really want to read, you never end up reading these books. But in this year, I'm so happy that I have been getting the books to review which I really want to read. I have been buying books which I really want to read, and I'm getting to them sooner than I thought I would. So that's pretty amazing. Do let me know which are the books you have bought in this year and which are the ones you're very excited about reading. I am looking forward to your comments and have some bookish discussions with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do hit thumbs up, and let's see if we can get this video to 100 thumbs up. I've started doing this shitty thing, but I'm just doing an experiment. If you have some sympathy for this marketer and let her do some experiments, then please hit thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. This is Manpreet signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.